Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check YouTube community guidelines. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so where we need to come to is inside of here. So the best way to get here is do a Google search, YouTube community guidelines, and hit enter. Now we want to go ahead and come on over to the top result. We want to come straight to the horse's mouth and not go to a third-party site. Now below here, we can go ahead and see YouTube's community guidelines. So when you use YouTube, you join a community of people from all over the world. The guidelines below will help keep YouTube fun and enjoyable for everyone. So we can go ahead and scroll. We can check out their spam and deceptive practices, our sensitive content, violent and dangerous content, regulated goods, and misinformation, of course educational, documentary, scientific. So you can go ahead and read all of these. We can even get in more in depth. So if you want to read more about spam deceptive practices, we can click onto that and have a bit of a deep read of spam policies, and we can go through all these one by one. If you're not sure about things, go ahead and copy, say, all the content here, go to say ChatGPT or Claude, and we can go ahead and get them to simplify it if you like, if you're a little bit lazy, or just give you the information in bullet points.